Hello, welcome to Stafford Land Rover. Today I'm going to show you around this stunning Range Rover Velar in Santorini Black. This is an DynamicHSE Petrol. It's previously had only one owner. You have 21-inch satin dark grey alloys, privacy glass and a powered tailgate, which is useful if you've got your hands full. Going into the boot, you can see you have plenty of space. You can also put the seats down if you do need more room. Continuing around the car and going to the front, you have keyless entry, so if I lock the vehicle and unlock it, it's easy as long as the key's nearby. Our dynamic tread plates and a gorgeous tan and ebony leather interior, which is definitely easier to clean than cloth. A sliding panoramic sunroof, which is really nice to open on a sunny day or just for some fresh air. Touchscreen with heated and cooled front seats, and you do also have heated seats in the back, perfect for winter and summer. Seats in the front are also massage, which is definitely a luxury to have and makes each journey more relaxing. A rear view camera, making parking and reversing a lot easier, and you do also have a 360-degree camera. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto to connect your phone and use various different apps. Valet mode, meaning you can lock the screen so a valeter can only access your climate control. Controls on your wheel, including the speed limiter, lane departure warning and blind spot monitor, all helpful when driving along the motorway. Memory seats, ideal if there's several people driving the car, and a Meridian sound system for better quality sound. This car's done 40,503 miles, and you do also have head-up display, which you can edit either the brightness, position or the content. Stepping back outside the vehicle, that was a stunning Range Rover Velar. If you're interested in this car, please call 01785 899 446. Thank you.